If you're considering getting a new HVAC system from the awesome team at Staton Heating and Air, I can tell you from personal experience that when you see that Staton van coming up your driveway, rest assured you are in good hands. My name is Rich Noonan. My wife and I live in Milton, and when our air conditioner died on a 95-degree July day, I knew it was time to replace our outside condenser unit and the inside furnace. They'd served us well for over 21 years. I knew who to call. Staton Heating and Air, because they have a history of awesome service dating back over 50 years. Their customer reviews are fantastic, and Staton is a local family business, not some out-of-state private equity firm. And I am thrilled that we called Staton. It was already getting really hot in our house when I called and spoke to Tracy at Staton. She was fantastic. She's the lead customer service rep. She knows her stuff. She told us about our options, proper sizing, and efficiency for our home. She offered excellent financing options should we choose to finance the new system. And within an hour of our first phone call to Staton, we moved forward. Tracy told us she'd schedule the install as soon as possible because it was so hot outside, and we were thrilled again when she called back and said they'd do it the next day. Incredible. We really did nothing to prepare other than moving the car out of the driveway to make room for the Staton van. There was room around the furnace in the basement, so we didn't have to do much there. Two experienced, friendly guys arrived, Sergio and Anderson. They worked like a well-oiled machine. They removed the old condenser unit outside, the old furnace in the basement within an hour. Anderson prepared the site for the new outside unit, and I was impressed again. Staton did not cut corners and just try to squeeze the new larger train unit onto our current concrete pad with our other two units. Anderson worked hard to level out a spot just off the concrete pad. They put a hard plastic base down, and he and Sergio put the new train unit in place. We love that Staton has been one of the most respected train comfort specialists for many years. We wanted Train because we know it's super high quality equipment. Around mid-morning, Josh arrived. He has over 32 years of experience. He was great at answering our questions and explained that you need space between condensers outside so they have proper airflow. Sergio and Anderson were meticulous workers. They never stopped working all day, and within 6 hours, we had a fantastic new outside AC unit and new train furnace in the basement. The guys even installed a cutting-edge Nest thermostat for us on the main floor of our home. We love that because we can control the temperature from our phones no matter where we are in the world. Literally, within 45 minutes of firing up the new system, our main floor went from 84 degrees to 70. Incredible. If you're wondering if getting a new HVAC system is a big pain, wonder no more. Staton Heating and Air made it so easy. Thank you to the great people at Staton. That 50th anniversary logo on their truck door means something to us. They have the experience, the training, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity we needed on a July day when our air conditioner died. Thank you to everyone at Staton Heating and Air.